Hello, language learners! Welcome back to Everyday English Fluency.
Hey, champ, why the tears in the middle of the night?
I want ice cream, brother.
Ice cream, huh? It's pretty late, buddy. How about we have it tomorrow when the sun's up?
No, I want ice cream now.
I know you love ice cream, but it's not good for your tummy right before bed. It might make you feel sick.
I don't care. I just want to eat ice cream right now.
I totally get it. Ice cream is the best, right? But here's the thing, eating it now might make our tummies do somersaults. And we wouldn't want that, would we?
Somersaults?
Yep, like a roller coaster for your tummy. But you know when ice cream tastes even more magical?
When, brother?
In the daytime, when the sun is up and everyone's wide awake. It's like having a party in your mouth.
Party in my mouth?
Exactly. But we have to be quiet now so everyone can have their sweet dreams. What do you think?
Sweet dreams?
Yep, sweet dreams full of ice cream dreams for all of us. How does that sound?
Wow, really? Ice cream dreams?
Absolutely. You got it, buddy. Now, how about we settle for a warm glass of milk to help you drift into those ice cream dreams?
Ice cream dreams with milk?
Absolutely, my little ice cream dreamer. Now, let's tiptoe to the kitchen and get that milk. We'll be super quiet, like ninjas.
Yeah, ninja milk.
Ninja milk it is. But remember, tomorrow, when the sun is shining, we're having ice cream together. It'll be our special daytime treat.
Wow, special treat.
That's right, buddy. Now, sip your ninja milk, close your eyes, and imagine all the delicious ice cream flavors you want to try tomorrow.
Chocolate, strawberry, ninja ice cream.
That's right, buddy. Good night.